I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a card reader to an iPhone. First, determine your iPhone's port type. Older models typically use a Lightning port, while newer ones feature a USB-C port. This distinction is crucial for selecting the correct card reader or adapter. Also, confirm your memory card is formatted to FAT32, exFAT, or apps for seamless compatibility. Having the right tools and preparation ensures a smooth connection process. Selecting the correct adapter is key. If your iPhone has a Lightning port, you will need a Lightning to USB camera adapter. For newer iPhones featuring a USB-C port, a USB-C card reader can plug in directly. Many third-party and Apple-branded adapters are available, some even providing extra features like pass-through charging or slots for various card types, enhancing your iPhone's versatility. Once you have the right equipment, connecting is straightforward. First, insert your memory card into the card reader. Then, securely plug the card reader or its adapter into your iPhone's charging port. Your iPhone should recognize the device within a few seconds. Next, open the pre-installed Files app. You will find your connected card reader listed under the Locations section, ready for you to access its contents. With your card reader connected, you can now manage your files. Use the Files app to browse, copy, or move documents, photos, and videos. If you are importing media, the Photos app will often automatically recognize the card, making transfers simple. Should the card not appear, a quick iPhone restart often resolves the issue. Remember to always safely disconnect the card reader by simply pulling it out when you are finished to prevent data corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.